Hello, everybody. I am Aaron from Lingvo Center, and this is another English video that I am going to teach you about will, won't again. But this time we're going to do promises, offers, and decisions. So, will, promises, offers, and decisions. Now let's see. So decisions, right? Decisions. I won't have the fish. I'll have the steak. We'll take the 6:30 train. So I won't have the fish. I'll have the steak, and we will take the 6:30 train. That's a decision. I'll take this. I'll do that. I'll have this. I'll have that. Okay? The next one is offers. This is what happens when you ask a question and the will turns into a shall. So, offers. I will help you with your homework. I will help you do something. That's an offer. Or shall I open the window? Shall I help you clean something? These are all offers. So offers, when you ask an offer to do something, you always do shall instead of will. And then promises, I'll always love you, or I won't tell anyone. These are the three things that where we use will again. So use will or won't plus infinitive for making decisions, offering, and promising. I'll help you with those bags, not I help you. Use shall I or shall we when an offer is a question. Shall I pay? Shall we call you tonight at 7? These are all offers that you can make. That is a question. Very important. Okay, so now let's take a look at the tasks. Task A. So we need to match the sentences. The first one that is gonna help us see how this should work, there's G. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, H. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 0. So 0 is, it's cold in here. Shall I shut the window? It's very good. It's an offer that you will shut the window and you're offering it. So you're offering to shut the window, so it's always going to be shall. Shall I shut the window? So now let's take a look at the second sentence. I mean the first sentence instead of the zeroth. Zero? Zeroth, yes. So I'm thirsty. So let's take a look at all of these sentences. I will help you to do it. I'm thirsty. I'll help you to do it. That makes no sense. So B, shall I make you a sandwich? Well, I was thirsty, so no thank you. I don't want a sandwich. I want something to drink. Shall I carry one for you? That has nothing to do with my thirst. So no. D, I will lend you some money. Well, maybe, like if you really want to give me money, I can like buy something to drink out of it, but that's not an immediate help for me. I'll send it by email now. That doesn't make any sense with I'm thirsty. And shall I turn off the music? No, it still doesn't make any sense. So it has to be H. I will get you a glass of water. Very good. It's H. So The second sentence is I have a headache. So now that we read through all of the sentences, we can now think through which one it can be. Which one is going to be the answer? That's right. It is going to be, shall I turn off the music? Maybe the person has a headache because of the music. So we offer them to turn down the music. This exercise is hard. What can the answer to that be? That is correct. It is going to be A, which is, this exercise is hard. I will help you to do it. I'll help you to do it. Very good. Number 4. I'm hungry. What can you answer to that? That's right. It's going to be, shall I make you a sandwich? You're offering to make them a sandwich. Very good. Number 5. Number 5. These bags are heavy, says someone carrying 3 bags. Let's say one of them is their school bag, one of them is their gym bag or like sports bag, and maybe they have something like a food bag that they carry around in school. These bags are really heavy. Oh wait, I didn't put the B here. I'm sorry. So these bags are really heavy. What can you answer to that? That is correct. Shall I carry one for you? That is the correct answer. So now let's take a look at number 6. Is I left my wallet at home, says someone at work in the cafeteria or at school in the cafeteria. And then you can say something very nice to them, and you can say, what can that be? What is the thing that you can tell them that is really nice? That is right. I will lend you some money. So I left my wallet at home. And then you can say, I'll lend you some money. Very good. Now the last one is gonna be obvious because these are the last 2 things to do. So it's going to be E, which is I need that photo urgently. And then you can answer, I'll send it by email now. I'll send it by email now. Okay, very good. Now, let's take a look at the last task. B task, which is complete the sentences with will or won't or shall plus a verb. These are all the verbs we have here, and we have a test, like already a test sentence over here in the beginning that uses have. So let's see what it says. What would you like? And you say, I'll have the pasta. That's a decision, as we learned at the beginning. It's a decision. So what would you like? I'll have the pasta. Thank you. So now let's take a look at the second sentence. I can't open this window. And then B answers, What does B answer? What does Brendan say to Alex? Well, Brendan's going to say, shall I help you? So now we are going to cross out help. Very good. So I can open this window. Shall I help you? That's what Brendan says to Alex. So Alex, the next sentence, Alex says, it's a secret, says Alex. And then Brendan says, anyone, I promise. What can that little part of his sentence be? What can Brendan say to Alex? That's right. It's going to be, I won't tell anyone. I promise. That's what Brendan says to Alex. Now, Alex says something to Barbara. When will I see you again? Asks Alex. And then Barbara says, you tonight. This is a promise. What can Barbara tell to Alex? Very good. It's going to be, I'll call you. I will call you tonight. So now Alex asks someone something. Let's see what he asks. Alex asks, can I borrow 50 euros? You back tomorrow. This is also a promise. What does Alex say? Oh, wait, I forgot to do this. And this. But you had time to think now. So what does Alex say? So he says, can I borrow 50 euros? And then I will pay you back tomorrow. Very good. So that's what Alex says. It's pay. So now let's see. Alex says, it's my birthday next week. And then Brendan says, don't worry. What will Brendan say? So Alex says, it's my birthday next week. And then Brendan says, don't worry. I will not forget. I will not forget that it's your birthday next week. Don't worry. Don't worry. How nice of him. And then the last one, Alex says, I don't feel very well. And then Brendan says, you home. So this is a question. We only had one of the three of decisions, offers. What is the one that uses questions? It's going to be an offer because Alex doesn't feel very well. So you have to offer him something. Now let's see. What does he answer? I don't feel very well. And then Brendan says, shall I take you home? Shall I take you home? So you could feel better. Okay. That was it for today. That was everything for today from me, Aaron, and I will see you in the next video.